एवरीवन एंड वेलकम टू शिफ्टिंग गियर्स। मैं आया हूं बेंगलोर में और मैं यहां पे आया हूं टू चेक आउट दी बाउंस इन्फिनिटी E1 इलेक्ट्रिक स्कूटर। इस स्कूटर की प्री बुकिंग शुरू हो चुकी है। यू कैन प्री बुक दिस EV स्टार्टिंग फ्रॉम ₹499 एंड प्राइसेस स्टार्ट फ्रॉम एज लो एज ₹36,000, बट देर आर फाइनर डिटेल्स विच यू शुड नो बिफोर कंसिडरिंग दैट प्राइस। ये इलेक्ट्रिक स्कूटर आप एक सब्सक्रिप्शन पैक पे भी खरीद सकते हो। So do check out this video, check out the Bounce Infinity E1 electric scooter. Let us know if you like the specs. Let us know अगर आपको इस इलेक्ट्रिक स्कूटर की क्वालिटी, प्रोडक्ट क्वालिटी पसंद आती है। And would you consider buying this product, this Bounce Infinity E1, because it is cheaper when you compare it to the likes of the Ola S1 and S1 Pro and the Ather 450X and 450 Plus. First, let's talk about specifications. With this Bounce Infinity E1, you are getting a 2 kWh battery pack which is IP67 rated. The Bounce Infinity E1 electric scooter comes with 85 kilometers of pure EV riding range and the top speed is restricted at 65 kilometers per hour. The scooter's nominal motor power is 1.50 kilowatts and there is 85 Newton meters of torque. The battery pack of the scooter is portable and swappable, which means you can charge it at home or office by simply taking it out or swap it at the brand's swap stations. The battery will take roughly 4 hours to full charge. This EV comes with power and eco modes for your daily commute, along with a drag mode which allows you to push this scooter effortlessly in case it gets punctured. The coolest feature I think is cruise control, because at this price nobody else offers it. Of course, keeping competition in mind, the Infinity E1 also has a reverse mode. The Infinity E1 weighs 94 kilograms, has a boot space of 12 liters, ground clearance of 155 millimeters and the seat height is at 780 millimeters. You get front and rear disc brakes with CBS, not ABS. The scooter rides on telescopic front forks and dual rear shock absorbers along with 12-inch alloy wheels shod with tubeless tires. Also, thanks to connected features, there is plenty you can do with the scooter when paired to your smartphone. Now, what we saw were pre-production prototypes, so quality levels were not up to the mark. But the brand claims that when deliveries begin around March 2022, their final product will easily meet the customer requirements. Bounce will also offer up to 3 years of warranty on this Infinity E1 electric scooter. Now, pricing of this Bounce Infinity E1 starts from ₹59,999 onwards if you want to purchase it outright. When you buy it at once, you get one battery and one portable charger included in the price. But the interesting proposition is to get this EV for a subscription service. In this scenario, you can take home the scooter starting from ₹36,099 and then you pay a subscription fee and a battery swap fee. Bounce will be setting up battery swap stations in hundreds in whichever city they start selling this EV, so customers need not have the typical range anxiety. There are 2 subscription packs, so one can opt for what suits their commuting requirements. But for the elderly and young ones, make note that the battery is heavy, so it will need extra effort to carry it or swap it. Features of this electric scooter include full LED lighting, which means LED headlamps, LED tail lamps, LED turn indicators. The pillion foot pegs are flush fitting, handlebar is exposed in a unique fashion, single piece seat, flat floorboard, luggage hooks, full digital speedometer cluster which is unlike the advanced screen which you see on Ola and Ather scooters, alloy wheels and a pillion grab rail. With this feature set, we think Bounce is targeting customers who want to own an affordable EV. The brand will sell this scooter in 5 color options along with a custom paint scheme. We are looking forward to riding it, but are you waiting to buy it? Let us know what you think of this Bounce Infinity E1 electric scooter in the comments below. See you soon, subscribe to the Shifting Gears channel and always guys, ride safe and drive safe.